Cash App Advisor, one of the best guide for Cash App users. This is gonna blow your mind. Hello everyone and welcome to Cash App Advisor. I'm Mashkur Ali and I have some exciting news for all Cash App users. If you have used Cash App between August 23rd, 2018 and August 20th, 2024 and your data was breached, you could be eligible to grab up to $2,500. Yes, you heard that right. In this video, I'll show you 3 easy methods available to file your claim. Stay tuned because you won't want to miss out on this huge opportunity. Let's get started. Method 1. For users with a notice or email. If you've received a notice or an email about the settlement, don't worry, you're not alone. This method is for you. Your notice comes with a notice ID and a confirmation code. Simply head over to the official settlement website, enter these details, and follow the steps to submit your claim. Make sure to share how the breach impacted you personally. This will help ensure your claim is processed smoothly. Method 2. For users without a notice. Now, if you didn't receive a notice, no worries. You can still file your claim. Just visit the settlement website, provide your Cash App account information, and describe how the data breach impacted you. Make sure to upload any supporting documents you have to strengthen your claim. Method 3. Offline claim submission. Lastly, for those who prefer handling things offline, you can mail your claim. Simply download the form from the website, fill it out, and include any documents that show proof of your losses. Mail it to the address provided. I recommend calling the helpline afterward to confirm that your form has been received. So, these are the 3 methods to claim your Cash App settlement: using your notice ID and confirmation code, filing without a notice, or mailing the claim form. If you want a step-by-step guide for any of these methods, check out the link in the description to our detailed article. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more Cash App tips.